50 years ago, something amazing happened.
50 years ago today, people mobilized.
Beginning with a senator from Wisconsin named Gaylord Nelson and coordinated by Dennis Hayes,
20 million Americans came out in celebration of our planet to encourage environmental reform.
Now Earth Day is celebrated by millions of people in 183 different countries.
Participants volunteer with cleanups, with education programs, and with tree planting.
While we can't celebrate in person with a big festival like we normally do, we want to encourage you to share the things you do every day, the things we all do every day to celebrate the planet.
The small steps that we all take to make the world a better place.
For time spent enjoying nature.
These are the ways the Nature Center staff celebrates the Earth.
at our house we celebrate the earth by xeriscaping our front yard, which means it doesn't use any water except rainwater, and by putting solar panels on our roof to help generate some power.
On the front row is lettuce, and then a row of radishes, and a row of microgreens. We have a few perennials. All the little clumps that you see in the garden are perennials popping up that turn into like this one.
And this is what I like to do on Earth Day.
Hi, one way that I show my love for the earth is composting. Got some delicious, wonderful compost here. Only plant stuff. Give it a good stir.
I do my part by using a reusable water bottle.
And because we love Earth, a while ago, we switched our animal containers to these reusable containers. We use them every day. Instead of using a new plastic bag every day, we changed to these, and they're from recyclable material too.
Teach my kids where their food comes from.
I enjoy the earth by rock climbing.
Lily and I love to go for walks, but I always make sure I bring bags with me so I can clean up after her.
I celebrate the earth by walking in nature.
We miss our Nature Center families, and we wish you a very happy Earth Day. We can't wait to have people back on our trails and in our classrooms. Thank you for your continued support of the Nature Center.